Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Euharlee local and long-distance movers near me. We help with your local, intrastate, and interstate moves. We have a good working relationship with the federal, state, and local agencies in charge of the country's relocation processes. We've also put in place insurance coverage to protect our clients' interests. These insurance policies cover risk obligations incurred before, during, and after the relocation. We have movers who are professional, hardworking, and dedicated to getting your items to their final location. We pledge to deliver on time and without incident. We not only take care of our clients' stuff, but we also provide them with reasonable pricing. We don't overcharge our customers, and we don't underserve them. Local moves are less expensive than long-distance moves, and we charge around $30 to $40 per hour for our local activities. Hiring us will let you rest assured that you will get the most value for your money. Our drivers and movers are familiar with the area, making it simple to move from one location to another, even when the streets are busy. Regardless of your social position, we will deliver you to your preferred place in no time. We can also assist you in devising a moving strategy that is appropriate for your existing position and budget. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Euharlee moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.